VeinViewerVision2 is a revolutionary device designed to assist you with your vein assessment and provide benefits during the entire vascular access procedure. VeinViewer can help improve peripheral stick success for your most difficult access patients, view the reaction of the vessel as you perform the procedure, and increase overall patient satisfaction. VeinViewer's max depth makes it possible to see peripheral veins up to 10 millimeters deep and blood patterns up to 15 millimeters deep. VeinViewer uses harmless, near-infrared light that is absorbed by the patient's blood and reflected by surrounding tissue. A detector captures the reflected information and processes it through a sophisticated computer to create VeinViewer's high-definition digital full-field image. An LED projector displays the real-time image directly onto a patient's skin. This allows for VeinViewer's trademarked eyes-on-patient, hands-free technique and exclusive pre, during, and post-access benefits. VeinViewer's TrueView projection accuracy has been measured against ultrasound using 3,000 data points. The projected vein widths of vessels most commonly accessed for peripheral IVs, those 3 to 7 millimeters wide, are accurate to within 6/100ths of a millimeter. You will feel confident in the quality of the displayed image. Vision 2 can be used by any clinician and easily incorporated into your standard procedures. VeinViewerVision2 provides a durable, hands-free option with extended reach and easy maneuverability. Vision 2 has a stable 5-wheel, low-profile base, which allows for easy placement by the patient's bedside. Wheel locks keep Vision 2's base immobile when engaged. Attached to the post is an accessory basket designed to hold up to 15 procedures worth of IV or blood draw supplies. The basket can also be used as storage for the power cord when not in use. Simply wrap the cord around the basket. The power supply located on the Vision 2 post contains a lithium-ion battery. The inlet for the power cord is located on the bottom of the power supply casing. When moving Vision 2, secure the arm by engaging the arm lock. This will prevent the head from bumping other objects. The ergonomic handle is used to move Vision 2 to your next patient. Unlock the wheel locks before moving the unit. When storing Vision 2, keep the device in the same traveling position with the arm and wheel locks engaged. Vision 2's articulating arm has an extended reach capable of a head-to-toe assessment based on a typical adult patient bed. The fluid maneuverability allows you to easily adjust the position of the arm with one hand. The head of the device contains the imaging technologies which create and project the vein image. The control panel is located on the top of the imaging head. On the control panel, you will find status indicators and the following buttons: Power, Function, Resize, Image Capture, Inverse, Max Bright, Tri-Color, and Fine Detail. On the back of the imaging head, you will find the USB port. VeinViewerVision2 operates by battery or AC power. If operating by AC power, simply plug the power cord into the power inlet at the base of the power supply and then into a standard wall outlet. If operating by battery power, you can skip this step. Vision 2 uses a lithium-ion battery with up to 2 hours of continuous runtime. There are 2 places to locate charge indicators: in the border text of the vein image and on the control panel of the unit. The control panel battery indicator will stay green until the battery level reaches about 25%, at which time the blue indicator will illuminate. Once the charge level reaches 10%, the blue indicator will blink. Time to charge the battery. To charge the battery, simply plug the power cord into the power inlet and a standard outlet. VeinViewerVision2 does not need to be powered on to charge, and you can use the unit while it's charging. The battery charges in the unit or in the optional battery charger and takes approximately 4 hours to fully charge. For battery replacement, refer to your user manual. VeinViewerVision2 is easy to focus and use with our exclusive eyes-on-patient technique and focal indicator. The focal distance is approximately 12 inches or 30 centimeters. The head unit should be placed so the projection is as close as possible to 90 degrees or perpendicular to the surface of the skin. You know you're at the proper focal distance when our exclusive focal indicator confirms the border text around the image is clear and legible. A simple way to achieve the proper focal distance is to position the head unit further from the patient's skin and then slowly move it in. Once the text is clear, you should be at about 12 inches. Vision 2 also has about a 1-inch window where the image is still in focus. The border text around the image indicates the current imaging mode for the user. You can also confirm power levels and warning indicators around the border. Vision 2 also features the enhanced Assess Plus imaging suite with exclusive imaging modes to help you customize and project the best image for each patient demographic and body type. Universal mode is the baseline mode and is appropriate for all patients. Fine detail further enhances the finer structures to highlight smaller vessels. This is useful for pediatric patients, neonatal patients, and sclerotherapy. To change the image to fine detail, simply press the Fine Detail button. Inverse reverses the color of the veins and surrounding tissue inside of the image window. This mode allows you to further customize the image to your patient and your own preference. Simply press the Inverse button on the control panel. Press the button again to deactivate Inverse. The Tri-Color feature lets you choose between green, yellow, or white to further customize the image based on your preference and the patient's skin tone. To change the color, press the Tri-Color button. The Resize feature allows the window of the Vision 2 image to be set to 3 different sizes. This feature is helpful with pediatric patients or neonatal patients where you wish to really focus the VeinViewer image on a smaller appendage, such as an arm or leg. Press the Size button to cycle through the different window sizes. Max Bright increases the lumen output of the VeinViewer image by approximately 40% to improve visibility in circumstances with brighter than standard indoor lighting conditions. Activate this feature by pressing the Max Bright button. This feature can be used with the other Assess Plus imaging modes. The Image Capture feature allows you to capture a static picture of the VeinViewer image while assessing a patient. Vision 2 saves 200 PNG file type images on the unit. Once the limit is reached, the device automatically deletes the oldest image before adding a new one. Transfer captured images to your PC using the USB cable. Image capture is a HIPAA-compliant function. No patient data is saved during the capture of the image. Only a serialized unique file name is added, allowing easy filing of the images. Use VeinViewer to impact the entire vascular access procedure and help enhance the standards of care at your facility. Vision 2 has benefits pre, during, and post-access. Pre-access, identify more venous options. Vision 2 allows you to visualize blood patterns up to 15 millimeters deep and clinically relevant veins up to 10 millimeters deep. Locate bifurcations in the vein pattern. By occluding the vessel, You can locate valves and watch the refill rate. By fully assessing the patient before you stick, you can help maintain the condition of their vessels and avoid complications that may arise from a non-optimal insertion site. During access, VeinViewer provides valuable benefits for all patients, not just for those patients that are deemed difficult access. Use VeinViewer to see the reaction of the vessels to your needle, such as a rolling vein, and adjust as necessary. When placing an IV, use VeinViewer to help assess patency after the catheter has been inserted. Post-access, watch blood perfuse and refill as you flush fluids through the vein. After placing the catheter, check the integrity of the vessel and even detect a hematoma forming from an accidental puncture, which may help avoid an infiltration or other serious complication. VeinViewerVision2 provides a number of benefits that can enhance clinical standard procedures and help improve patient care and satisfaction. Thank you for using VeinViewerVision2, the industry's most advanced vein viewing device. From the revolutionary near-infrared light display we pioneered years ago to our latest technological advances, we aim to provide you and your patients with the very best experience throughout the entire vascular access procedure.